We couldn't install a required dependency, Valorant error 2025. This error usually appears when Riot Vanguard fails to install due to missing or corrupted Windows system files, disabled VGC, VGK services, broken secure boot, TPM setup, antivirus, or firewall interference. Step-by-step fix. 1. Restart in admin mode. Right-click the Riot client, choose Run as Administrator, then click Update Retry again. 2. Manually install Vanguard. 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Run vgc.exe manually as admin. 3. If it doesn't exist, uninstall Riot Vanguard. Open command prompt admin. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Launch Valorant again. It will auto-reinstall Vanguard. 3. Enable secure boot and TPM. Open quote, required for Riot Vanguard on Windows 11, close quote 1, reboot and enter BIOS UEFI. 2. Enable secure boot, TPM 2.0, PDT or FTPM. 3. Save and restart. TechSharp. 4. Start VGC service. 1. Press Windows R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Find VGC, right-click, Properties. 3. Set to automatic, then click Start. 4. Apply changes and reboot. 5. Allow Vanguard through firewall. Open Windows Security, Firewall. Allow Riot Vanguard and Riot Client for private plus public networks. Bonus, repair system files. Run this in command prompt admin. You can see the code in our conversation history, then restart. SEO type